Here's how to check if your monitor supports HDR or not. So the first thing that you're going to do on your PC or to your laptop, go to the system settings. Under the system settings, what you need to do is go to the display options. Once you're already on the display options, what you need to do is just go ahead and go to the under display is the HDR. If you see the HDR, it means that your device or monitor is supporting the HDR itself. Afterwards, if it's not seen, you can go ahead and go to the device manager options and click on the open option. And then afterwards, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the display adapters and then go ahead and click on the AMD DM graphics. Once you click on the AMD DM graphics, you can now go ahead and click on enable device so that you can enable the HDR to your laptop.